Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy facial wash using fresh aloe vera. I'm going to be using only 3 ingredients in this facial wash. Aloe vera will help to clear hyperpigmentation, it will help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines, it's good for eczema, it's good for dry skin, it's good for itchy skin. Aloe vera also help to get rid of a sunburn, and you're going to find aloe vera in most of your skincare products. So we're going to be whipping this up right now. For this recipe, I recommend using only fresh aloe vera. So if you're interested to see how I make this quick and easy facial wash that you can use at home to clear your skin from hyperpigmentation, to brighten and lighten, and also to get rid of dull, rough looking skin, follow me to the kitchen. Before I jump in the kitchen, however guys, this is a very short video, so do not click off, just watch the video to the end. And also, if you're new here and you have not yet subscribed to the channel, this is the time to do so. Go ahead and subscribe so that each time I post a video, you'll get a notification right away. Now let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up. To make the facial wash, you're going to need a small bowl, and my first ingredient is going to be some fresh aloe vera. I'm going to be extracting the gel from the aloe vera. So to do this, I just like to cut it just as I am showing here, and I'm using about 2 to 3 ounces of the aloe vera leaf, and this one is very, very juicy and fleshy, and this is exactly how I want it to be. So to extract the gel, I'm just going to cut the upper portion of the aloe vera, and then I'm going to take my knife and I'm going to go right under the lower part of the aloe vera, and then in the middle, this is where we're going to find the fresh aloe vera gel. Now to make this into a more gel-like consistency, we are going to be blending. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to chop this in small pieces for easier blending. So go ahead and chop. If you have a powerful blender, you can just go ahead and throw it in like that. Aloe vera helps to clear hyperpigmentation from the skin. It also helps to protect the skin from sunburn, UV ray. Aloe vera also helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. You're going to find aloe vera in a lot of your skincare products. So once the aloe vera is chopped, then I'm going to reach for a small blender. Now if you do not have a blender for this recipe, you can go ahead and you can pound on the aloe vera, pound on it in like a cheesecloth or something, and then you're still going to end up with some aloe vera gel. So we're adding the chopped aloe vera to the blender, and next I'm going to reach for some rose water. Rose water helps to balance the natural pH levels of the skin, and it is great to use in this recipe as our base water. I'm going to reach for some turmeric powder, and this is going to help to lighten and brighten the skin. Also, if you have acne prone skin, this is going to help to get rid of the acne from the skin. I'm not using a lot, I'm using about a teaspoon of the turmeric powder, more or less if you want, and adding this to the blender. And now what I'm going to do, I am going to blend to a more watery consistency. And now look at this guys, I am pouring this out. This is your aloe vera turmeric facial wash, a fresh facial wash that you're going to use to wash your face. Now if you have like Castile soap and you want this to be more soapy, you can go ahead and you can add a little bit of a Castile soap to it. Another way to use this is to get some of your favorite facial cleanser, add a little bit of this to the cleanser to kick it up a notch. This is good to use on your face, your neck and décolleté. You can use it on your hands. Use it to wash your face and reveal bright, clear, radiant, glowing skin. You can choose to use this AM and PM, and this is good for all skin type. Store this in the refrigerator and use it up within 7 days.